Let's take it across to Mr. Rajiv Ratan, founder and chairman at Rattanindia, to get a sense as to what's really spanning out. Hi, sir. Good to be speaking with you. What do you believe is the story that everyone should watch out for as far as Rattanindia Group is concerned? Because leverage was an issue at one point of time, but it looks like a good turnaround candidate. Talk to me about what is the roadmap and strategy you are working on currently?
No, thank you. Absolutely, in whole of power sector, that was a key stress area back about 4 5 years ago, which we solved in one of our plants in December 19. And since then, we have done refinancing, and our senior debt is down to the sub 600 crore number compared with our EBITDA of about 1,000 crores, which has been stable for last 9 years, ever since the plant got operational in 2015. Power is a fundamental story. There was a time when we had a bit of excess in terms of capacity. All that excess has been absorbed, and countries operating right at neck to neck with the demand, which is forever growing. As we talk about India going into top three GDPs, so power is a lot of power is going to be required for that. Uh, in India, base load power is going to be provided for by the coal-based plants for a long time to come. This is something which is we are happy to be part of this story, contributing to the national cause on this front. On enterprises, we have again businesses which are contributing to nation's progress. We have electric
Absolutely.
motorbike, which is Revolt in
Right.
India, number one electric bike. We have e-commerce and drones and
Right.
fintech. Yeah.
Right. You know what we also want to know, Rajiv, is that in terms of, like you were mentioning, other businesses as well, what specifically will be the growth driver, right? You're there in e-mobility. There is in terms of the aerial mobility that you're focusing on. What do you think will be driving the growth?
See, e-commerce is likely to grow 20-25% year on year. That's because of fundamental growth of e-commerce in India. Our electric mobility will grow much faster than the past, because that is something where the past year was spent on consolidation of the brand and the company, which is Revolt. We were expanding dealerships, so we were solving issues around supply chain, service, etc. All that has been done, and now we hope to have a steep growth curve on Revolt sales. And drones is something which is where we are extremely bullish. We have the products, we have the services, and we are working hard on that front as well. And there is a clear focus from the government on having a very solid drone ecosystem in the country. So that should also add to the growth.
Okay, point taken. But I understand that you're right now running a profile of almost 4,000 crore annually. Where do you see this number scaling up to, let's say, 3 to 4 years out? What is that target that you have set in terms of revenues and profitability for you, let's say, 3 years out?
You're talking about power company?
Yes.
Yeah, power company. This is something where we have not really announced what we are going to do beyond the thermal plants. But yes, renewables could be a natural extension for us, and that will the cash coming out of the power business will give us the freedom to pursue anything related to energy. And as and when we decide that, obviously, we will be announcing to the markets. But yes, renewables is something which is definitely at the top of our mind. And as the coal-based plant provides solid cash flows, that will give us the firepower to have a solid renewables pipeline too.
Okay, sir. On that note, we let you go. Thanks so much for making time and speaking with us. So that's the management of Rattanindia Power. Overall, the prospects look quite strong and the turnaround story at play.